This video explains the development process for the touch sensor function in the RX family microcontrollers using QE for capacitive touch. You can easily adjust the sensitivity of the created touch sensor electrodes to the optimum state by referring to the 3 tutorial videos. This section explains the software settings required for touch sensor detection. You can configure each setting by performing a simple operation using the GUI. Here, the setup procedure is explained using Capacitive Touch Evaluation System for RX 140, which can evaluate button, slider, and wheel touch functions. The button, slider, and wheel touch functions use self-capacitance electrodes. For details of the electrode board design, please refer to the CTSU Capacitive Touch Electrode Design Guide. For details of development methods, please refer to RX family using QE and FIT to develop capacitive touch applications. Let's launch the E-Square Studio IDE, and create a new project for RX. Enter a new project name and select the target MCU you are using for the touch sensor application. In this video, the R5F51406AXFN is selected. Then, select Smart Configurator and the generation of a new project is complete. After that, open the Smart Configurator perspective. Click the Clocks tab, and select the clock conditions. Select HOCO clock 48 MHz for every clock source. Next, click the Components tab, and import the required modules by using Smart Configurator. Select Add Component, Touch QE API. Import the QE Touch Fit module to the project. QE-CTSU Fit module is also imported at the same time, so you need to select the sensor pin channels used for the touch sensor. Now, all required driver modules for capacitive touch sensing operations have been imported to the project. Once the code is generated, the driver module setting for the project has been completed. Please proceed to the next video. Step 2 Tuning. Step 2 will explain the procedure for simple sensitivity tuning using the QE for capacitive touch. Please continue watching.